In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can hide your friends here on Snapchat. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel, lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, the first thing that I recommend doing is actually opening up Snapchat and going to your chat page right here. Find whatever friend you like to hide, and what you're going to want to do is actually tap and hold on their name, and it's going to open up a page that looks something like this. Go ahead and find the chat and notification settings and open it up. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this, and what you're going to want to go ahead and do is select clear from chat feed and then hit clear one more time. This is going to remove them from your feed without deleting them as a friend. What you can also do though is actually change their name to disguise the contact. So hold them again, and what you're going to want to do is select manage friendship and then hit edit name, and you can actually change their name right here to be whatever you would like it. So in this case, I just changed him to Miguel, and then I would go ahead and hit save. This is going to keep things private just in case someone does look on your screen. Now, if you really want to hide someone, what you could do is once again find them, hold down on them, and what you could do is actually select manage friendship and then hit block. This is going to remove them from your friends list. It's going to hide the chat, and they're not going to be able to contact you unless you unblock them later. But that is it. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.